How to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open your Snapchat app and then click on the plus button right here found on the rightmost part of the screen. So click on the plus button and let's just turn on focus first. So in order for it to turn off, you may click on this button right here, which has this person icon, and once you click it, it will be turned off. You may also click on the plus button like this one. Click on the plus button, swipe up, and click on this X button right here on the rightmost part of focus. So, Snapchat actually uses the word focus instead of portrait mode. However, it has the same purpose. So whenever you use portrait mode or the focus mode, what this will do is that it will focus onto a specific object or person, for example, and then it will blur out the background of the object or the person. So you must try this out by directing your camera to your for example to your dog, to your siblings, or to yourself. So you may turn it on, try it out, and then if you want to turn it off, click on that button once again, and then that's it. That's how you can turn off portrait mode on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.